The USB charger adapter is a pretty cool accessory for DeWALT users. It basically turns the 12 volts or 20 volts battery packs into a USB charger with dual USB Type A outputs. And it shows the power indicator on top. There's no button here, so it cannot be reactivated when the lights go off. Probably have to reconnect and disconnect. So this battery is a 1.5 amp. It does not have the power indicator. I'm going to do the discharging test on the DeWALT 6 amp here, which shows me 2 bar and is consistent with the indicator on top. I'm connecting a clamp tools in the middle using its USB port. 65% on my iPhone 13, and let's do a charging test. And keep in mind, it's not a fast charger. The maximum I was able to pull from this one port is limited at 5 watts. Now I'm only doing maybe 3 watts. I can connect additional USB devices such as an iPad here. Approaching 5 watts, but still, according to the label on the side, the maximum power output is limited at 7.5 watts, which is 1.5 amps combined total from these 2 ports. So it will not be able to fast charge phones or iPads, so keep that one in mind. Even with one port, it's not going to reset or anything, but I think that is good. Now I'm getting about 5 watts to my iPhone 13. Okay, let's try disconnect iPhone 13 and just connect the iPad to it and see if I can get maybe the full 7.5 watts out of it. Looks like per port, it is only limited at 5 watts, which means the other port can only get 2.5 watts out of it. So it's a handy little device to charge phones, maybe just a phone in the job site, and not be able to reliably, depending on this adapter, to charge it in under 1 hour. That is not gonna happen. Okay, 5 watts max. So optionally, we can connect a USB light to turn it into a flashlight. And so I guess that is a much reasonable use case. From that port, I'm pulling 5 watts and I'm still using a little USB light directly from the battery pack. Okay. So that's the charging characteristics of this USB meter from DeWALT. USB charger from DeWALT. All right. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you find this review helpful.